Good morning students, welcome to the class again. Dear students, as you all know that our chapter 4 My Experiments with Truth is going on, and it is an autobiography of M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, which covers the childhood experiences of his life. Dear students, page number 20 and 21 is already explained to you, and today I am going to explain page number 22. But before this, I want to share the summary of page number 20 and 21 to you in a quick manner. So, in this chapter, Mahatma Gandhi narrates some of the incidents of his life which had left a great impression on his mind. He also tells us about some of the mistakes he had committed when he was young. Now, Mahatma Gandhi was admitted in a primary school at the age of 7. At that time, he was very shy, and books were his only companions. He didn't like to read any other book apart from his textbooks. But once he came across a book called Sharman Pitra Bhakti Natka, which left a great impression on him, and he started copying Sharvana. Then he read Harish Chandra and decided to be truthful like Harish Chandra. After that, Gandhiji, in second paragraph, Gandhiji considered gymnastics and physical exercise as useless, as he always thought that it had nothing to do with studies. But afterwards, he realized that physical exercise is as important as mental exercise. Once Mahatma Gandhi had to go for a gymnastic to the school at 4 o'clock, but as soon as he came out, there would be rains outside, and when he reached school, all the boys had already left. He told the reason to his teacher for being late, but the teacher refused to accept it. It was then he realized that a man of truth should be a man of care. After that, he was never careless. Now, students, I am going to explain page number 22. First paragraph of page number 22. But there is another neglect for which I am still paying the penalty. I do not know when I got the notion that good handwriting was not a necessary part of education, but I retained it until I went to England, when later, especially in South Africa, I saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young men. I was ashamed of myself and repented of my neglect. I saw that bad handwriting was regarded as the sign of imperfect education. I tried later to improve mine, but it was too late. I could never repair the neglect of my youth. Now, the meaning of power words in this paragraph is penalty. Penalty means fine. Now, there is a notion. Notion means concept. Ashamed. Ashamed means embarrassed. And repented. Repented means regret. Neglect. Neglect means carelessness. Regarded means consider. Imperfect means not perfect. Now, in this paragraph, Gandhiji says that his another mistake which he never corrected since his childhood was that he never cared for his handwriting. He always thought that handwriting had nothing to do with education. But when he went to South Africa, he realized that bad handwriting was considered as a sign of imperfect education, and he could never get off his neglect throughout his life. After that, he tried to improve his writing, but it was too late. Now, the last paragraph of this lesson is there is another incident which I must share. I committed a theft when I was 15. I had run into a debt of about 25 rupees. My brother had on his arm an armlet of solid gold. I stole a bit of gold out of it, and the debt was cleared. But this became more than I could bear. I resolved never to steal again. I also made up my mind to confess it to my father, but I did not dare to speak. Not that I was afraid of my father beating me. I was afraid of the pain that I should cause him. I decided at last to write a confession letter. In this note, Not only did I confess my guilt, but I also asked adequate punishment for this. I also promised never to steal in the future. With trembling hands, I handed the confession to my father. He read it, and pearl drops trickled down his cheeks, wetting the paper. Those pearl drops of love cleansed my heart and washed my sin away. A clean confession combined with a promise never to commit the sin again is the purest type of repentance. This incident for me was an object lesson in ahimsa. Now the meaning of power words in this paragraph is, firstly is theft. Theft means stealing, and that means loan, money we lend from somebody, and armlet, a band that we worn on the arm. Confess means to admit. Confession means admission या acknowledgement. Adequate, satisfactory, sufficient, and repentance means regret. Now, in this paragraph, Gandhiji tells us that once he stole a bit of gold from his brother's armlet to clear his debt of 25 rupees. He felt guilty and wanted to confess it, but he was scared to speak in front of his father. So he wrote down a letter in which he confessed everything and, demanded a adequate punishment for what he had done. When his father saw the letter, he had tears in his eyes, but he forgave him. It is the best type of repentance. Later on, Gandhiji admits that he learnt a lot from his mistakes. It was also his first lesson in ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. Now, dear students, I hope you have understood the explanation of this page very well, and I request all of you to read it again and write down the meaning of power words in your book and keep on practicing. Okay, thank you very much.